Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here at the Iroquois Hotel, 49 West 44th Street, between 5th and 6th. Today we're going to show you a really simple, easy smoked rainbow trout salad. It's absolutely phenomenal. Smoked rainbow trout, frisee lettuce, we got toasted almonds and crispy shallots and pickled ramps to give it a little bit of acid and a little bit of life. We have some smoked trout first, okay? Now, you can get your smoked trout at your local fishmonger, you can get it in the grocery store, you can get it several different places carry smoked trout. If you don't want to buy smoked trout, it's even better to smoke your own trout. Go fishing, hang out for the day, have a couple drinks, catch some fresh trout in a stream or a brook. So we got our trout. We have a little bit of frisee lettuce. If you don't want to use frisee, you don't have to use frisee. You can use baby greens, you can use spinach. There's all different kinds of lettuces that you can use for this salad, okay? So we put that down as a base because I want that texture and that crunch on my plate. I have my pickled ramps, all right? So we're going to add our pickled ramps to the smoked trout, okay? And then, now what we do here at the restaurant is we're using a whole grain mustard vinaigrette. If you don't want to use a whole grain mustard, you can use lemon and olive oil, you can use a balsamic, whatever your family preference is. And I toss that together with the trout and the ramps. Now, with the ramps, a ramp is an onion. It's in the onion family, okay? And so that's going to add a little bit of acid and a little vinegar to it with that pickling, okay? So, trout, ramps, the whole grain mustard. Now we need some texture and some crunch. So we have our toasted almonds and our crispy shallots, okay, on there. Then we're going to add, we have a little bit of mustard oil. And we're going to put a little bit more of that whole grain mustard vinaigrette around, okay. And then we're going to top it with some fresh herbs. And so there you have it. It's a smoked trout salad. Thank you very much for joining me today in my kitchen. Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here in the Iroquois Hotel. We'll see you soon.